Hey, good morning, traders. Quick update. I want to show you all what I believe the market is waiting for. We see Bitcoin is hovering around our resistance level, and the bulls just will not break over. They don't want to pull those bears across this line yet. All right, and we're seeing kind of the same thing happening in Ethereum. This is the 4-hour chart, by the way, not the daily. I know usually I'm showing you the daily. This is the 4-hour chart. And so we are right up there on that resistance. And Ethereum is kind of the same thing. All right. Now, I said Ethereum is bullish. Anything over this line is bullish. Again, of course, we have this resistance here. We have our, this is the 4-hour, but the 50 on the daily is above us as well. And about the same place, actually. But again, resistance here. So what is this market waiting for? So I want to show you something here real quick. Many of you know that I've been talking about the stock market and the broader markets influencing or spilling over into the crypto space in terms of fear and price action over there. All right. So we've been paying attention to our VIX. We've been paying attention to our FANG stocks. We've been paying attention to S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones. Some of you might not have known, but we were near a government shutdown here in the U.S. I do believe that was influencing price action on the broader markets. And here's why I think that is true. Shortly before, like within hours before a shutdown would have happened, President Biden did sign a stopgap to avert that shutdown. So let's read just the portion here that I want to show you. And it looks like, as we typically do things here in the U.S., we are going to kick the can down the road again and until February 18th. So shutdown has been averted. It has been avoided. Operations will continue normally here in the U.S. until at least the 18th. All right, that's how far we were able to kick the can down the road this time. Eventually, we're going to stop kicking that can, but I do bring this to your attention because I do believe it is going to influence, and it already has, and here's what I want to show you, the stock market. So this is the 4-hour, like I said, and you can see that right around the time that that bill was signed, I could even zoom into the 2-hour to show you. I mean, we were hours away. It was signed right around 2 o'clock. All right, so we were hours away from the closing of the stock market. Look what happened to the fear index as soon as that bill was signed. All right, boom, fear goes down. All right, so can we replicate this price pattern across our indexes? Let's take a look at the Dow Jones. All right, so fear goes down. What happens to the market? Right, the market goes up. Boom, the last 2 hours hit it hard. Lots of buyers came in. All right. So I do believe that the market is following that specific news item. And on Monday, I do think that we're going to see quite a hop in price. All right. Maybe a jump up, a gap. Uh, Here's the NASDAQ. Again, now this was the last 6 hours. It's like people on the inside might have known. All right. Who knows? And they were predicting that Biden would sign that, and up we go. All right. So then let's take a look at the SPY, S&P, same thing. Happened all across the markets. VIX goes down, SPY goes up, NASDAQ goes up, Dow Jones goes up. And I think what Bitcoin is currently waiting on, and Ethereum, is to see what happens here on Monday. Let's zoom out to the daily to see what we have. All right, so daily is looking good for the S&P. At least we're right on that 50-day, and probably will hop again. I mean, probability suggests that at least. All right. So then up to, let's go over to the Dow since it's right in front of me. Yep. And I said we'll probably come up and hit the 50-day at least, maybe the top of our resistance before coming down further. So again, that falls right in line. This news story, this price action that we're just starting to see indication of, that's falling right in line with the news. All right, NASDAQ, all right, we're below the 50. How about we come back up and hit our heads on that 50-day? All right, that seems plausible on Monday. All right, so if there is this jump up in the markets and continued retreat on the VIX, then that is going to spill over into Bitcoin price action, and it may pop us back up into this area again. So that's at least what I'm waiting for. And I believe I can sense in the larger markets that is also what is correlating with the data. That's also the news that the market is ingesting this weekend, and that psychology is going to play out in price is going to play out in price action come Monday. Now it remains to be seen, but this is just what I'm seeing, and we'll see what happens. All right. So best of luck to you all. I'll put out my regular uh, daily crypto updates starting Monday again once we get this new price action in place, and probably won't be till after 9:30, till after the stock market opens this time, and that way we can kind of gauge what the market is going to do. Best of luck to you all. Stay safe out there.